Hey there, food lovers! Today we're on a mission to bake the most memorable cherry cheesecake you've ever tasted. Imagine this, a buttery biscuit base, a cloud-like cheesecake filling, and a crown of glistening cherries. Are you drooling yet? So put on your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's bake. Let's dive right in and gather our thrilling lineup of ingredients. It's like calling upon our trusty baking companions. For the biscuit base, you'll need 200 grams of digestive biscuits and 100 grams of melted unsalted butter. For the cheesecake filling, use 500 grams of softened cream cheese, 200 grams of castor sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the cherry topping, use 400 grams of cherry pie filling. See? Simple, everyday ingredients can create something truly extraordinary. Let's kick things off by crafting the essential foundation of our culinary masterpiece, the biscuit base. This pivotal first step is the secret behind a truly delectable cheesecake. The base delivers that irresistible crunchy contrast to the rich, creamy filling, and getting this part just right is key to achieving the perfect balance of texture and flavor in this delightful dessert. Let's make it count. Crush those digestive biscuits into fine crumbs. You can use any method you prefer, but the goal is to achieve a consistent sandy texture. This will ensure that the base holds together well and provides a uniform layer for the cheesecake. You can use a food processor for a quick and easy method, or put them in a bag and bash them with a rolling pin for a more hands-on approach. Both methods work well, so choose whichever you find more convenient or satisfying. Mix the crumbs with the melted butter until it resembles wet sand. The butter acts as a binding agent, helping the crumbs stick together and form a solid base. Make sure every crumb is coated with butter for the best results. Press this mixture into the bottom of a spring-form tin. Use the back of a spoon or a flat-bottomed glass to press it down firmly and evenly. This will create a solid foundation that won't crumble when you cut into the cheesecake. Make sure it's nice and even. An even base ensures that every slice of cheesecake has the perfect balance of crust and filling. Take your time to smooth it out and press it down firmly. Now pop it in the fridge to chill while we work on the filling. Chilling the base helps it set and become firm, which is crucial for maintaining the structure of the cheesecake. This buttery, crumbly base will provide the perfect contrast to the creamy cheesecake filling. The combination of textures is what makes cheesecake so delightful, with each bite offering a satisfying crunch followed by a smooth, rich filling. It's going to be divine. The effort you put into creating a perfect biscuit base will pay off when you taste the final product. The base is the unsung hero of the cheesecake, providing the perfect foundation for the creamy, dreamy filling that everyone loves. Get ready for the main event, the indulgent cheesecake filling that will steal the spotlight. In a large bowl, beat together the softened cream cheese and sugar until smooth and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla extract. Don't overmix. We want a light and airy texture. Pour this heavenly mixture over the chilled biscuit base. A tip from our kitchen to yours. Run a knife through the batter to remove any air bubbles. This will ensure a perfectly smooth cheesecake. And now, let's add the finishing touch, a delightful cherry on top. Spoon the cherry pie filling over the cheesecake batter. Swirl it gently with a knife for a beautiful marbled effect. Don't be afraid to get creative. The sweet and tart cherries add a burst of flavor and a vibrant touch to our cheesecake. It's what makes this recipe truly special. All right, baking enthusiasts, get ready for a little patience. Baking is not just a science. It's an art that requires not only skill, but also a sprinkle of perseverance. So, let's dive into this next step with creativity and care. Patience. It's the secret ingredient that often makes the difference between a good dessert and a great one. So, let's dive into the next crucial step of our cheesecake journey. Bake the cheesecake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. This temperature and time frame are essential for achieving that perfect balance of a firm yet creamy texture. The low and slow baking process ensures the cheesecake cooks evenly without drying out or cracking. The center should be just slightly jiggly. This jiggle is a sign that your cheesecake is cooked to perfection. It might seem underdone, but remember, the residual heat will continue to cook the cheesecake even after you turn off the oven. This is a delicate balance that requires a keen eye and a gentle touch. Once baked, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside, with the door slightly ajar. This gradual cooling process is crucial. It allows the cheesecake to set slowly, preventing any sudden temperature changes that could cause cracks. The slow cooling also helps the flavors to meld together beautifully. This will prevent any cracks. A crack-free cheesecake is the hallmark of a well-baked dessert. It not only looks beautiful, but also ensures a smooth, creamy texture throughout. Take pride in this moment, as it reflects your patience and precision. Once cooled, chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling period is not just about cooling the cheesecake, it's about allowing it to set properly. The longer it chills, the better the texture and flavor will be. Overnight chilling is ideal as it gives the cheesecake ample time to firm up and develop its rich, creamy consistency. We know it's hard to resist, but trust us, the wait is worth it. The anticipation is part of the experience. As you wait, imagine the delight of slicing into that perfectly set cheesecake, the smooth texture, and the rich flavor that awaits. Patience truly makes perfect in this case. This cooling period allows the cheesecake to set properly and achieve a smooth and creamy texture. When you finally take that first bite, you'll understand why patience is such a vital ingredient in baking. The creamy, melt-in-your-mouth texture and the harmonious blend of flavors are the rewards for your patience and dedication. So remember, good things come to those who wait, especially in the world of baking. The moment we've all been eagerly anticipating is finally here. Carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform tin. Slice into generous portions and serve. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can add a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or even a few fresh cherries. Take a bite, close your eyes, and savor the moment. The buttery base, the creamy filling, the sweet and tangy cherries, pure bliss. We're sure your kitchen is filled with the most heavenly aroma right now. There's nothing quite like the scent of a freshly baked cheesecake wafting through the air. It's a smell that promises indulgence, comfort, and a touch of sweetness. Imagine the creamy texture, the rich flavor, and the perfect balance of tanginess and sweetness. It's a dessert that brings joy to everyone who tastes it. And what's better than enjoying this delicious cheesecake? Sharing it, of course. There's something magical about gathering with friends and family, slicing into that perfect cheesecake, and watching everyone's faces light up with delight. It's a moment of connection, of shared happiness, and of creating memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it's a special occasion or just a regular day, cheesecake has a way of making everything feel a little more special. Take photos of your beautiful creations and share them with us on social media. Tag us on Instagram, tweet us your pictures, and let's spread the cheesecake love far and wide. Your photos not only showcase your baking skills, but also inspire others to try their hand at making this delightful dessert. Plus, it's always fun to see how each cheesecake turns out uniquely beautiful, reflecting the baker's personal touch. You can even share your creations in the comment below. We love hearing about your baking experiences, any tips or tricks you've discovered, and even the challenges you faced. Your feedback helps create a community of bakers who support and learn from each other. So don't be shy, share your thoughts, and let's keep the conversation going. We love seeing your baking triumphs. Nothing is more rewarding than knowing that our recipe brings joy to your kitchens. Each photo, comment, and story you share is a testament to your love and effort in baking. It warms our hearts to see your successes and know we're all part of this wonderful baking journey together. And if you love this recipe, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Your likes and positive feedback mean the world to us and help others discover these delicious recipes. It's a small gesture that makes a big difference, showing your support and appreciation for the content we create. While you're at it, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and baking adventures. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new recipes, baking tips, and exciting updates. It's a great way to stay connected and ensure you never miss out on any of the fun and deliciousness we have in store. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. The notification bell is your ticket to staying up to date with all the latest content. Every time a new video is posted, you'll get a friendly reminder to check it out. So go ahead, click that bell, and let's continue this baking adventure together. Thank you for being a part of this amazing community. There you have it, the most memorable cherry cheesecake, ready to impress and delight. Remember, baking is all about having fun and enjoying the process. So go forth, bake with love, and never be afraid to add your own personal touch. Until next time, happy baking!